Nothing like the startup of a 6.2 liter V8. What's going on, guys? So today we're just looking to go put some tires on the AMG. The back right one's showing wires, so as much as it's been a blast to absolutely slide around, I gotta get those changed, otherwise I'm gonna have a friggin' blowout on the side of the highway at some point. So we're getting Firestone Indy 500 tires put on the rears, and there's already a set of Conti Extreme 3s on the front, which grips stupid well. It's gonna be really interesting to see, because those tires are actually really good for the money, and I know I'm gonna burn them out anyways. Not burn out, but you know, I'm gonna slide around and shit, so there's no way in hell I'm gonna put like an expensive set of tires on the rear, because they're not gonna last anyways, right? So yeah, what's really gonna be interesting is to test out the launch control, the race start feature in this thing, and see how well it grips off the line, because this car is very well powered for its weight and size. It actually gets off the line really quickly, and the shifts are really quick. So we're gonna be able to see, and hopefully the car still slides. I'm still gonna try to slide it, so let's see how it ends up. So let's see how they are. I basically just put on the set of rears in the back, Firestone Indy 500s, and we're gonna see if they hook. It's only 235 section wide, so it should be good for sliding around, but I really do not know how well it's gonna hook in a straight line. So I'll hit it off the line here when we make a left here, and let's see if it can grab traction. Yeah, they hook right up. So I mean, that was second gear. I'm pretty sure I can still get it to slide, but now the car feels faster, like it's hooking a lot more. Not bad. Yo, it feels way crazier. feel right. So I'm not quite sure if I'm just tripping out. Probably is just me tripping out, but like you know, going in and out here, the car just feels different. I don't know. It feels like it wants to like the backs. Feels like the backs almost wants to float around a little bit, but somehow it like hooks like crazy. I don't understand. And on power, it felt like the car was just kind of like dithering about when it was on full throttle in a straight line. I don't know. It could just be me, but I'm not sure I like this feeling. I don't know if it's just because of the mismatched tires or what, but the sizing's all the same as what I had before. Feels good in a straight line, up for now at least.